Welcome. Let's take a look at the diary for the economic data due on Wednesday, the 2nd of November. First up, we have Japanese consumer confidence. The consensus there is for a reading of 42.8 in October. September came in at 43, which itself was a three-year high. Will this push the yen higher? Then at 7 a.m, there's the UK nationwide house price index for October. Last month, house price growth slowed by 0.3% across the UK, taking the annual increase from 5.6 down to 5.3%. Add to this the UK market construction PMI data for the British economy out at 9:30 UK time. Could we see a fourth month there of rises in this number? Whatever the outcomes from either of these two pieces of data for the British economy, it's unlikely that attention will be diverted for sterling from the US elections, which has really been the driving force, many looking at the US elections for the next opportunity for a trade. Then there are also October market manufacturing PMI data for the Eurozone, France and Germany. In the Eurozone, also look out for the German unemployment rate as well, due out on Wednesday, where expectations are for October for an unchanged 6.1% unemployment rate. Later in the day, look for the US private payrolls number, the ADP employment change. It comes out at 12:15 p.m. UK time. Look there for an October consensus of 165,000. Also, the US EIA crude oil inventories are out later on in the afternoon. However, this may be overshadowed by any further evidence that there are remaining a division as to how the earlier announced crude oil production cuts from OPEC will be implemented. Then finally, the big news of the day at 6 p.m. UK time, the US FOMC interest rate decision. No change expected so soon before the US election, but look out for any further commentary that inflation is building in the US economy that determines a December date for the next interest rate rise. That certainly remains on the cards so far as the Fed fund futures are concerned. We'll see at 6 o'clock on Wednesday evening if any of that is likely to change. That's a quick snapshot of some of the data points to watch out for in the midweek trading session.